get ready with me to go see the Barbie movie. I'm actually really excited to see it, but I'm scared because I've heard it's kind of sad and I'm not ready for that. But I'm gonna do my makeup first and then I'm gonna figure out an outfit. I low-key don't own anything pink, so we'll see how that goes. I'm using the Stila eyeliner. It's like the very fine micro tip one. It's really faded, so you can't even see what this is, but it's a really good eyeliner. I'm feeling very lazy, so I'm not gonna do like foundation or anything. I'm just gonna do concealer and like blush and bronzer or whatever. For some reason, I've been liking blending with my fingers lately. I've really been a fan. I just like start off with my fingers and then kind of press it out with like an actual beauty blender. Okay, makeup is done. So now for the outfit, I'm going to wear this little pink like top, this jean skirt, like midi skirt, keep it simple. These like sandal platforms. So here's the outfit. Just a little top, the skirt, little sandals. And for earrings, my mom actually had these really cute little pink sparkly earrings that I think my grandma gave to her. So I'm gonna wear these. Little pink in the spirit. Actually, this isn't mine. This is my sister's. I don't really have a lot of pink. I do like the color pink. I think I find it hard to wear. But here are the earrings, cute. And then for my bag, I'm just gonna wear this little jean one, and I'm just gonna wear this bracelet that says sunshine, and it's like pink a little bit.